activities you have? When you get time, what are your hobbies to do?
I don't get time, man. I barely get time. If I get time, it is for sleeping and sleeping only.
Because again, you need to be rejuvenated and relaxed.
For the
Because
next day,
it's your, yes, so full month you are shooting, right?
each and every day.
Yes. So how much overpacked and hectic it is?
I mean, most of the days you don't even realize what's happening to you. You're numb.
It has just become the part of your system.
Yeah, sometimes you think you have to maintain your body, and then you realize that the body is maintaining you. So yeah, it's a weird thing.
Yes. And so you have been born in Kashmir, right? And now you have been brought up in Meerut and Dehradun. And I am from UP, from Badaयूं, very near. And I
Oh.
still love Dehradun. Yes, because of its peace and serenity there. So what aspects you love? Of course, you must have not explored Kashmir that much. But what, like your native place is now Dehradun, right?
Yeah, my house is in Dehradun.
Yes.
What
So do you
aspect
love
of Dehradun?
Uttarakhand?
Yeah, of course. I mean, it's beautiful, man. I've grown up. I've seen that city changing from a small town to a capital city of a state. I've seen the changes. I've seen the development. I remember the first time McDonald's came in Dehradun, and we were all so excited about it. But what I love more is like the ride to the jungle. Like, um, of course, you got all that.
Yes. Definitely. Even I also love that national parks. Jim Corbett is there, and Nainital is there. Then again, Mussoorie is there. Hill stations are there, and they are quite. They will captivate you. They will fascinate you. And I am also a mountain person.
Okay.
Yes. And so also, I would like to again congratulate you that this show has won the best show of 2020 award. So how you're feeling? Of course, you must be on cloud nine and extremely gratified. What is that feeling?
The feelings, of course, obviously, it's great to do a show at 7 p.m. and that winning the best show. I mean, in 2020, of course, it's great. But somehow I also knew that it's going to win the best show. So you're
Yes.
sort of prepared for it. You know your show, usse better to kuch hai nahi abhi. So I was sort of mentally prepared for it also. So वो feeling कहीं ना बनाते बनाते आपको समझ में आ जाता है हम जो कर रहे हैं वो बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं.
Yes. And you become confident as well. You become self-boosted, self-motivated. Ki, we
I
will be
don't know.
getting that one.
These are very. This is good jargon for when we talk. बात करने में अच्छा लगता है कि मैं बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट हूँ और बहुत मोटिवेटेड हूँ. बट ये कहीं आपके जहन में नहीं होती हैं ये सब चीजें. When you're working, you don't even realize. आपको बस ये समझ में आ रहा था या तो अच्छी फील है या फिर बुरी फील है. So you understand the vibe.
Mixed emotions.
I strongly believe in the vibe, and the vibe of the show is great. Never mixed emotions with Marjana.
Yes. And as an author, I have also written 3 books, and I truly understand what are the different peculiarities about a single character. Again, there are physical attributes, there are internal quality attributes that we need to specify. And हम writing में ही इतना struggle करते हैं, then I can understand कि वो play जब आप कर रहे हो तो वो कितना challenging होगा, of course. I can only understand that.
I'm sure you can understand that.
Yes. Yes. And sir, क्या
जो आप लिखते हो और जिस हिसाब से वो ऑन स्क्रीन निकल के आता है उसमें जमीन आसमान का अंतर हो जाता है. So that's the crazy aspect about it.
Yes, very true. And sir, any kind of myth about this TV industry that you want to debunk?
I totally don't know if there is a myth associated with the TV. I would want to tell people that it's not all rainbows and sunshines, and it's not. It's a lean, mean place to work. You have to be rugged. You have to be strong, just not physically, mentally also, to get through and to survive and to actually make a living out here. And it's a lot of hard work. It's not just eye makeup लगाया, बाल बनाए, and
Yes,
then you're in
it's
front of.
more than that.
It's not as rosy as that.
Yes, जितना वो glamorous और fun लगता है, but वो उतना ही challenging है, of course.
Yeah. It's very, very challenging.
Yes. And so as you are playing your characters very well to the fullest level, to your full caliber, so any kind of professional advice you want to give to the new aspirants?
I'm not playing my characters to my fullest potential. Let's not say that.
But we believe. Yes, but
Then
just
you're
according
believing
to
the wrong
you.
thing. This is not my potential. I can certainly do a lot better, and there is a lot more to learn. And that is the advice I would want to give to people, that it never ends. No matter what you do, no matter what you end up doing, how great or how bad it is, there is always more. There is always much more to it. So just keep at it and enjoy the process.
Be continuous.
Yeah. There's no choice. It doesn't leave you with that choice.
Yes. And so now I have a quick fun segment for you, that is compatibility test. So I will be taking out the names of your co-stars of this particular show, and you have to tell me, you have to just describe them in one word. Just their main quality attribute you need to say. Right? Are you good to go?
Yeah, let's shoot.
Okay. First one, Chandni ma'am.
What do I have to just describe again?
Just in one word. You have to say their main quality. What summarizes their personality in one word?
Okay, Chandni would be diva.
Okay. Meenakshi ma'am.
Meenakshi ma'am is a ocean.
Yes. Even I have also taken her interview and I got to know she is an amazing soul, benevolent soul.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Jay sir. Jay Zaveri sir. Your chachi.
Jay Zaveri is underrated.
Okay. Haley ma'am.
Haley is cute.
Okay. Anupriya.
Anupriya is, I don't know. I look at her and I can only see her eyes. She's sharp. She's very sharp, man. Very, very sharp. And I mean that in a very positive light, huh? Before anybody makes out anything stupid out of it. She's sharp. Very sharp woman.
Okay. Vishal.
Vishal is happy-go-lucky.
Okay.
Or maybe
And last one,
easy-go-lucky.
Manasvi.
That's the.
Yes.
Manasvi is a sponge. Sponge, like he wants to soak in. He wants to soak in everything. You tell him 10,000 things, and he'll just listen quietly and just soak in everything. He's a sponge. He's just ready to receive. Very receptive dude, and he just wants to learn. And, crazy vibe.
Yes. And Nia Sharma, ma'am. Last one.
Nia is out and out vivacious, man. I think that's the only term I have.
Full of life, full of vibrancy.
Yeah, always somehow.
Yeah. Yes. And so how, your entire bonding off screen, it seems, on your stories and above all, you still there are n number of fan pages as well. So ये off screen मस्ती, how it is affecting you. मतलब कितना enjoy होता है off screen. वो दिखता है, but फिर भी I would love to know.
I mean, it just
it is another family.
Because you're working there. You're there for 12 hours. And अभी short नहीं चल रहा तो क्या करोगे? You might as well have some fun. So बहुत जरूरी है. And I think it's a part of what we do every day. Part of our work.
Yes. And so lastly, I would love to know what are your opinion about all these kind of stories? जो OTT पे भी बहुत सारी impressive, again mind-boggling stories आ रही हैं. So you think these stories must come in the market and to symbolize some social messages as well? What do you want to say for all these kind of writers?
No. I don't believe that entertainment as a medium holds any responsibility for telling people कि आपको ये करना चाहिए और ये नहीं करना चाहिए. I think that is the people's job to understand from entertainment कि उन्हें क्या करना चाहिए और क्या नहीं करना चाहिए. I think if you do it deliberately to put a message कि हमारी फिल्म से ये social message जाता है, I think it's the worst form of titillation.
Okay.
And as an audience, the audience has to be responsible enough and smart enough to understand कि ये गलत है और ये
Yeah.
सही है. And they have to make their choice what is right and what is wrong. And that is how we will have a better audience, once they, if you're spoon feeding them with everything, then the whole point of having an intelligent, then you crib, there isn't an intelligent audience for a niche market film, art films nahi chal
Yeah.
rahi. Because you're spoon feeding them everything. Let them think for a while. Let them decide who they like and who they don't like.
Yes. And it varies from person to person. You know, if
Of
you are
course.
able to take something, message or something, any theme, then it's good. But that is not the main source of that entertainment. They have to make you recreate.
Of course, it is recreation, man. People are not going there कि अब मुझे morality पे lecture मिलेगा. मैं इतनी महंगी टिकट खरीद के गया, मैंने पॉपकॉर्न भी खरीदा, अब मेरे को morality पे lecture नहीं चाहिए. I don't want to see a film like that. I want to
Yes.
enjoy. It's my time out from all the stresses I have in my life. I don't want another stress just because I went into a cinema.
Yes.
I don't.
And so now as the switch is, yeah. And now, sir, as the switch, that show is getting on to the OTT. So what kind of, even your fans are also quite disappointed, but even I was also, when I was interviewing Jay sir, he also said the same, ki if you love the entire cast and crew, then keep loving. It is just the change of medium. Just keep showering your love. So what do you wanna say? Now you're shooting for the OTT, right?
Yes, we're shooting for the OTT chunk, and I would just want to say that we're trying hard. We're trying our level best. We're trying to get back the thrill aspect of the show, and that's the attempt right now. Let's see where we end up. But yeah, for now, we're just trying to do that each and every day. So I'm just hoping that लोगों को अच्छा ही लगेगा.
Yes. And kindly stay tuned. You know, all the fans here.
वो यार वो बोलने की जरूरत नहीं पड़नी चाहिए एक साल के बाद भी. जो अच्छा जिसको लगेगा वो आएगा देखने. I mean, you get my point.
Yes, they will
I
be hooked up.
to over emphasize कि आप जरूर देखिएगा. अरे बहुत अच्छा बना रहे हैं. I think people should be deciding that on their own, and I would want to leave that
Yes.
some to the people.
Yes. If they are your honest reviewers or watchers, then they will obviously watch. And they will be continuous in the support and love.
Of course, देखिए honest जो नहीं भी थे ना viewers, if you're making something good, they will.
Yeah. Yes, absolutely. And so lastly, I have a quick 5 to 6 questions of never have I ever for you. So would you like to go ahead?
Yeah.
Okay. The first one is, have you given out a fake phone number to anyone?
Never.
Any of your fan also?
मैं phone number दूंगा ही नहीं ना. Fake phone number नहीं दूंगा.
Or क्या? Yes. Okay. Have you ever deleted a post due to insufficient likes?
I have deleted posts that I later regretted posting, but not it. I have nothing to do with likes and dislikes and
Yes.
कि ज़्यादा
It's
है
all
my.
virtual.
I mean, it's not in my control,
Yeah.
so why bother about it?
Yes. Okay. Have you ever faked sick and got caught?
No, I have acted all my life, and yeah, I never got caught.
Okay. Okay. Have you ever burnt your mouth willingly because you were too hungry?
What?
It happens.
I don't think so. I don't remember. Maybe I would have, but I don't remember right now.
Yeah. Okay. Have you ever seen a movie twice to understand it?
Yeah, a lot of films. And there are certain which I've seen like 2000 times also.
Okay. Have you ever had a paranormal experience? Even this was from viewers' side. They love to know if you have had a paranormal experience. No?
No.
Okay. Last one. Have you ever caught napping on sets?
Yeah, all the time, man. I'm always sleeping. And I'm not even like embarrassed of it. I'm very proud of it.
Yes. And so, any last message that you wanna give to all your fans? Just say a
Oh,
concluding hi to all of them.
yeah, man. Hi, everybody. How are you doing? I hope this is March, right? This is March, and kids
Yeah.
are giving exams. I just want to wish them all the best, each and every one. जिनको घर पे डांट पड़ रही है टीवी देखने के लिए, OTT and all of that. Just make sure you're studying well, and I would be very very happy if our viewers score good marks in their exams and do very well and take care of their parents and are responsible people for responsible for whatever they do in life. And I just want whoever's listening, I just want them to be like great people, man, and to take our country far ahead, and हमारा नाम रोशन करें. So yeah, that's what I want to say. I don't want to say, hey, go watch Ishq Mein Mar Jawan. Of course, if they
Yes.
like it, they'll watch it. But yeah, if there's a message here, that's what I would want to say to them.
Yes, even that was my initial choice, to not only be sticking or restricted to the show, but I asked you that personal questions as well. And I am also happy to tell you that I am just about to enter the corporate life. I have been placed. I have also completed engineering. So very soon I will be getting joining. Yeah.
Where are you working, man?
I am placed in 4 companies. Basically, Capgemini I will take, that is an MNC, and I will be getting the location. 4 locations they have opted me: Hyderabad, Pune, Mumbai, and Bangalore. So I wish I would get Mumbai, and I would like to meet you in person.
Bro, best of luck.
Yeah.
Best of luck and do your best, okay? I hope this really takes you far ahead in your life. It's a huge
Thank you so
opportunity.
much.
What have you done, by the way?
I have completed BTech in Computer Science and Engineering.
All the girls in your class, you have fun, man. You don't need my
Yeah.
luck.
Yeah. And I am also author and researcher. I write research papers, I write technical papers, I present them in national international conferences. Yes.
If I have kids someday in life, I'll tell them that you're the kid. We need to send you to, and you can tutor them. Probably teach them a thing or two.
Oh, thank you so much. Yeah, it means a lot. Yes. And so it was wonderful. Pleasure talking to you. You are quite
Same here,
magnetic personality, quite charismatic, fun-loving, humble, gentle, down to earth. The list is endless. And I
Bas,
hope
yeah.
you enjoyed the session.
Of course, man. I had fun. I had real fun answering questions.
Yes. And so lastly, what's your opinion on our show Meet and Greet? I hope you loved it.
I wouldn't be here if I didn't love it.
Yes.
I'm very rude at times. I just shut live interviews. No, but on a serious note, I thank you so much for having me, Azim. I just realized that you're way more intelligent than me, and much more methodical and diligent, and you've got the tact. I hope it takes you far away. It's been really great talking to you, man.
Yes, same here, sir. And I wish you luck in your future endeavors. Just
Thank
keep
you.
rocking, keep shining.
I'll try, man. I'll try.
Thank you so much. And also
Bye.
convey my regards to the entire family, to both
Of
your
course.
on-screen and off-screen family. Yes.
Okay. Done deal.
All right. Thank you so much.
Chalo, take care, man.
Have a great time. Bye-bye.
You too.